me. Okay? All right. Good morning, Messidian. Good morning. Thank you so very much. First of all, I really want to congratulate each one of you for 20th year celebrations. Yes. Thank you so much. I hope yesterday you liked the show. Yes or no? Yes. Is the energy, guys? Yes. मेरा गला कल से खराब हो गया है चीख चीख के. No, but management, Vestige management always thinks about you guys. And yesterday you have heard MD sir, आप लोगों ने कल MD sir को भी सुना. We really wanted to come up with a new different things basically. And this year we wanted as a turn around year. Right? We really wanted to turn around our entire direction. Okay guys? Fine. Morning. Yeah, good morning. Just quiet and listen to me. Okay? So this year belongs to Vestige family. Okay? Let me be very honest. This year, indirect selling, in the entire direct selling companies will watch only one company called Vestige.
Yes.
So even yesterday, now it's audible, now it's clear?
Yes. Clear.
So even yesterday, a lot of people are there in the Tyagraj and watching on the YouTube also, but let me tell you, all the competition are also watching us yesterday, right? Lot of competition are watching what Vestige is doing. Vestige कर क्या रही है? और Vestige हमेशा हम जानते हैं हमारे MD सर मिस्टर गौतम बाली सर को एक बार तालियां भी बजती है यार. I always say him as a visionary person because almost from the last 4 months, 4 महीने से we were discussing. Guys, listen to me. Don't see me. Okay, just listen to me and just stand for 5-10 minutes. यार hardly make a difference. Okay, so guard, Jitendra, guard. From the last 4-5 months, just like MD sir had just mentioned yesterday, that Vestige management wanted to do something big, really big, and so that is why the first time in direct selling history, Vestige has done 20 crore rupees in just 1 year. For our distributor, we have seen the data. हम लोगों ने बहुत सारा data देखा, plus, minus, how many achievers, how many people are not achieving, not doing, how many people are maintaining, how many people are maintaining TBP, how many people are maintaining just a bronze director or a silver director. We have seen all the data, and then we came out with all these offers, right? And one thing, because I can see there are a lot of UCDs, DCDs, and DUCDs. We really want all of you to come up in a different role now. Right? Different role. Once you have got a son and he becomes 22 or 25-year-old, his responsibility changes. And father responsibility also changes. Father always try to teach his son what is the best and what is the worst. And start mentoring his son or a daughter. Yes, parent also mentor their children, and that's what we want. हम इस साल एक चीज आप लोगों से चाहते हैं. We really wanted one thing from all of you, that is called mentoring. Mentoring. Your new role is called mentoring. Mentoring is teach the one of the best to your downline. Grow them up. Bronze director, silver director, with TPP, without TPP, whatsoever it is. But this is very important role for all of you. Because in direct selling, if we say there is royalty income, then how there is a royalty income and when it is going to come? It will come once you mentor your downlines. You make them independent. आप अपनी downlines को independent बनाओगे, mentor करोगे, उनको counsel करोगे, उन्हें सिखाओगे कि किस तरीके से आप आगे बढ़ो. Right? किस तरीके से आगे बढ़ा जा सकता है, किस तरीके से new levels ले जा सकते हैं, किस तरीके से income ली जा सकती है. That is the most important thing. Right? And mentoring is the new thing, which I really want UCD, DCD business leaders and double universal crown director adopt 30 people. Right? 30 people or number of people you can adopt. Adopt means just like adopting like your daughter or a son. To train them for the best of the best things. Because once you are just going to do this, अगर आपने ये किया, तो take my word, it will take maybe 1 year or 2 years or 3 years, but टेक माई वर्ड, हम जो कहते हैं ना डायरेक्ट सैलरी में रॉयल्टी इनकम, यू विल बी द फर्स्ट जनरेशन आई कैन बेट विल बी गेटिंग द रॉयल्टी इनकम इन डायरेक्ट सैलरी. And this is going to happen in Vestige. Our MD sir has given a vision now that we have to start the mentoring concept in Vestige, right? So automatically bronze, silver, gold or star, diamond, crown, they have to do what they are doing it. जो लोग वो कर रहे हैं उन्हें करना है, but उन्हें mentor करना है. Double universal crown director पहले, सबसे important double universal crown director. How many double universal crown director are there? Just raise your hand. We have got a double universal crown director or double crown directors, right? These people, your job is to mentor people, to help, hold hand of your downlines. If they have got any problem, you are the solver, not the management, not the company. You are the ones who are just going to solve all their problems. ये आप है. फादर, बच्चे के पास कोई प्रॉब्लम आती है तो वो पड़ोसियों के पास नहीं जाता, या दादा के पास भी बाद में जाता है, या परदादा के पास भी बाद में जाता है. वो सबसे पहले कहाँ जाता है? एब्सोल्युटली मदर एंड फादर, पेरेंट्स. और मैं बार बार बोलता हूं, इस पृथ्वी पे कोई ऐसी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. 90% प्रॉब्लम तो मैं जानता हूं कि लोग अपने आप ही सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. 90% ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम वी कैन सॉल्व आवरसेल्व्स, राइट, इंडिपेंडेंटली. 10% ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम्स आर देयर व्हिच फॉर दे नीड अपलाइंस, दे नीड यू, एंड यू हैव टू बी विद देम. टेक माय वर्ड, जस्ट this year start mentoring your downlines, your bronze and silver. So that is why अगर आपने देखा हो तो हम लोगों ने जो कल पूल भी निकाले, 5 crore pool for the business beginner, business builders के लिए 3 crore का, और सेल्स में हम लोगों ने आपको पार्टनर बना दिए. You are a partner of Vestige. It's not our sales team job now. It's purely your thing, क्योंकि आप जितना सेल्स को ऊपर लेके जाओगे